Hello everyone. First of all, very good evening to all of you. I hope you people are doing very well. Okay. So today's our topic is control mass and control volume. Clear? So first I will define what is control mass. Clear? Control mass is a closed system phenomena. It is a closed system phenomena where mass is fixed. Clear? Only volume going to change due to change in internal energy from the system. Clear? If you are going to provide heat from surrounding to the system, your temperature from inside the system going to increase or as parallel to internal energy going to increase. Clear? Because internal energy is the function of temperature for ideal gas. Now the term is control volume. Control volume is your open system analysis where we are going to analyze the control volume here. Okay, so some mass is coming from inlet in the control volume and collected inside the control volume, and some mass from there leaving system to the surrounding. So in control volume, mass is not fixed. Clear? Only volume is fixed. Clear? Okay, so in control volume we are going to calculate rate of mass, means mass flow rate. So finally I will define in control mass. Control mass is a closed system phenomena. Mass is fixed there. Only mass we are going to calculate mass at there. Okay. But in your control volume is an open system analysis. Okay. Mass is not fixed here. Volume is fixed here. Okay. We are going to calculate mass flow rate into the control volume. These are the basic differences between the control mass and control volume. Okay. Thank you so much.